Welcome to Morning Report. I'm Digvijay. Today is 19th of February. So let's see how market performed yesterday. So here you can this is a chart of GIFT Nifty and GIFT Nifty, let me refresh it. So GIFT Nifty is showing slightly bearish opening, almost 13 points below. So let's see how market went today. Even yesterday the market was kind of flat. If I take you to the chart, this is the chart of Nifty 50. This is 15 minute, right? On 18th Feb, you can see that the market opened very close to his previous day closing. So market opened at 22,977. Then there was a sharp fall, and towards the end, after from like 11:15 a.m., the market started to recover and is closed very close to his yesterday opening. So from here, market seems very indecisive. Market doesn't know where to go. There is a fight going on between bears and bulls. So if I just try to draw some trend line to see support and resistance. So one support which I can see is very clearly visible is this. Let me draw it, rectangle, right? So this is one support and it's a very strong support, right? So this is a very strong support. As you can see, the last time when the market came here, it shoot up very significantly. Again, the market took support at this point, it went up. Again, market took support, it didn't really break it, so it was consolidating very close to its support and then went up and is now very close to again its support. So who knows what will happen from here? Maybe market will come down because the overall trend of the market seems very bearish. So market might come down from here and consolidate for a bit, and then we might see a breakout or breakdown. I can see one more trend line here, that is this one. However, it is a little bit far and it might take some time for market to reach at 23,150 approximately. However, this trend line is there and it seems like a very strong trend line. There's one more trend line, but I think this has already been broken and didn't really work that well. So this is another trend line. So in this trend line, market did respect the support two times. However, now there is a breakdown of the support. So not really good trend line, but this trend line, it seems like a very good trend line. So let's see how market reacts when it come to this level. Along with that, if we look at the global cues, so US market hit a all-time high. Both Nasdaq 100 and S&P 500 hit a all-time high. If I take you to the daily chart, this is the daily chart, and you can see the Nasdaq 100 hit an all-time high, closed at 22,164. The similar thing happened with S&P 500. So both Nasdaq and S&P 500 hit all-time high. So this shows that the global cues are very good, especially the US market. And not just the US market. If I take you to the other, this is another Dow Jones Industrial Average, very close to all-time high. This is German market, DAX, right? It has the German's top 30 or top 40 company, and it has been shooting up recently, again at an all-time high. So global cues are very positive. This is Japan's Nikkei 225. It's not really close to its all-time high, however, it's not showing any negative sign. It's consolidating as of now in this range, right? It is consolidating. So Japan market again is neither positive nor negative, is neutral. So if you talk about the global cues seems very positive. However, Indian market is not doing well. If we just take you back to the Nifty chart, you can see what is the total drop as of now. From the high to yesterday closing is almost 12.5% drop. So Indian market is not doing well. Indian market is going completely opposite of the uh, global market. And you can even compare this with the gold. Look, this is the chart of the gold. You can see that the gold price is currently at 86,000 rupees, right? And the reason gold has been shooting up recently so sharply is because of the Trump might impose tariff on Indian stock market, and there's a lot of uncertainty. And whenever there is uncertainty, gold seems as a safe haven. So people do prefer to invest on gold in times of uncertainty, and that's the reason why gold price shoot up so sharply, right? Gold has been always in uptrend because gold has a store of value as well. People do want to invest in gold. So gold is always in uptrend. However, in recent times, after Donald Trump took the office, after there was a sign of uncertainty, gold price shoot up very sharply. Along with that, if we look at the crude oil currently at $75 per barrel. So nothing special, not good, not bad. It's just consolidating for almost an year, more than a year, is on a certain range. So along with that, rupee. So rupee has been depreciated a lot against US dollar. I remember it was close to 81, 82 for a lot of time. Yes, it was 81, 82, 83, close to 83 for a long period of time. And then after Donald Trump took the office and there was a fear of tariff, rupee just depreciated like anything. This is actually good for those companies who do export a lot. For example, IT companies. However, this is not going to be considered as their normal revenue from operation, right? So it might you might see that the IT companies or those companies who export a lot, they might have a higher earning because now they can get more rupee each dollar, and their income does comes in dollar. So that can be seen. However, rupee has depreciated a lot. Gold we already saw. Bitcoin again. Bitcoin is at $95,000. Went up, consolidated. This is how Bitcoin performs. It goes up, it consolidated for a bit, and then again you can see a breakout or breakdown. So Bitcoin at $95,000, and this is the Give Nifty. Not really. This is useless. We have already seen the Give Nifty, right? So along with that, if you look at the FII DII data, so foreign portfolio investors and domestic institutional investor, they both were net buyers on 18th February. Stock market Nifty 50 didn't really went significantly higher, even though both were net buy, and the reason being there was a block deal of Airtel. So Bharti Airtel block deal, and FII bought that. That's the reason why market didn't really went up. There was a recovery towards the end, but it was all this buying is mainly due to the Airtel block deal. So both FII and DIY were net buyers yesterday. So that's it. Now let's see how market performs today.